What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about 5 ways to invest your money in 2020. If you enjoyed the video and like the content, make sure to hit that like button down below. Really helps me grow and just build the channel as a whole. So, starting off a new year, 2020, it's going to be a good year for everyone. And with new years come new goals. Now a lot of you watching have full-time jobs. And, your company probably offers some sort of a 401k retirement plan. And what that's going to allow you to do is every check you get, the company takes a certain percentage out and puts it into your retirement, right? And what they do is, the whole point is they match up to a certain percentage. So each company is different. Some companies do 5%, some companies do 7%, but I would at least do the amount that they match. After that, you can decide where else you want to put the money. But I would get that free money. Okay. The second way is going to be to open a Roth IRA. And it doesn't matter what brokerage you do it in, just make sure it's a Roth IRA, right? And essentially what a Roth IRA is, it's a tax-deferred account. Put that money in and it grows tax-free throughout your whole life, right? So let's say I'm 21 years old now, right? And I contribute every year, right? And I max it out. It's up to $6,000. And I max it out throughout my whole life until I'm 60. That money that's in there is tax-free. So let's say I have $1 million in that account when I'm 60 years old. All of that money is tax-free, right? So essentially I'm a tax-free millionaire. Now, if your money was in a regular brokerage account, all that money in there would be taxable. Right? So let's say you have $1 million, 20% of that is $200,000. Now you only have $800, right? So you can already see the benefits of a Roth IRA over the long term. So the object is you get taxed very little up front, but no tax in the future. So you can already see kind of how it's beneficial. The third way you can invest your money in 2020 is going to be simply just a trading account. Now, there are tons of platforms out there for you to open a trading account with. It really doesn't matter. Some I recommend would be Robinhood, M1 Finance, Webull. Those are going to be more of a starting platform for you if you're just getting into the investing world and you want to learn more about it. They're very useful and simple tools to get started. I mean, they're all commission free, and they just keep it simple for starting investors, right? And I think they're great platforms, and maybe if you're more advanced, you can use something like a Fidelity, E-Trade, Charles Schwab, anything along those lines. But in reality, anything would work as long as you can get your money in the market and start investing now. Another way in 2020 for you to invest your money would be through real estate. Rental properties are a huge way for people to grow their wealth, and actually it's a proven fact that 80% to 90% of the millionaires in the country are millionaires from real estate. So it's a huge tool to grow and secure your wealth. A lot of tax benefits are involved with real estate, and it's a more hands-on, hard asset. So that's why I saved it kind of towards the last part, just because the 401k and Roth IRA, and just it's easier than real estate, let's be honest. But it's always good to have some hard assets. The last and final way for you to invest your money in 2020 would be to invest in yourself. Now, what I'm doing right now, starting this channel, is investing in myself. I'm trying to grow my future and maybe build something for myself. If you have any extra money and you want to form it into a craft that you think that can be successful, that's what you should be doing. Whether it's books, whether it's, editing, whether it's any kind of business you want to build, try and do it. There's no one stopping you, right? It's all up to you. Write some goals down and say, this is what you want to do this year. Don't let anyone tell you any differently. So, you only can, at least if you failed, you can say you tried, right? So that's what I'm kind of doing with this. It's always been a goal of mine to have a channel. And I think I have something to provide and give. And, and I hope you guys find it useful for you. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm running with it. That is going to do it for this one, guys. If you enjoyed the content and learned anything from it, please leave a like down below. Also, comment if you have any constructive criticism for me, this is a new thing for me, so I'm still kind of learning as I go. And you know, if you want to see anything else, make sure to list it down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. But for now, I'm out.